Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes and the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes, Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes.
Alright guys, so right now I'm rigging up a frog. It's a Guggen baits. I forgot what kind of pattern this is, but it's pretty dope. Sorry if my voice sounds a little raspy. I was at the Spurs game the other day and I was yelling my head off. Basic uni nut. I got it on a 15-pound fluorocarbon. It's not the smartest idea, but hey, always remember to check your spool and your tension. Yeah, my tension is real tight. I'm gonna start off with the frog only because it looks very juicy, and I also got a Guggen trench hog Texas rigged, and that's on some braid. I think it's a 30-pound braid. Well, welcome back, guys. Today we are on the river, but as of right now we're just paddling through, going to the juice. Yeah. Let's see. It's 7:48 a.m. I didn't even check the weather. Let's check the weather. It's 73 degrees out here, and we got cloudy conditions, but the sun's gonna come up soon, so it will be hot today. Alright, guys, y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. All this moss. Yep. That's how we do it. There she is. Nice little one. About a good one. Yeah, maybe two. Just let that in. How y'all like that, guys? Hopefully I caught it on my GoPro. But that's a start. That's pretty. Real nice. I ain't gonna wear. Nice one. Little ducker. Nah, we get. That's what's up. Hell yeah.
Good one.
And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete. And the Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete.
Let's get a weight and length on this bad boy. Just under 15 and a half. 171. Teeny tiny bastard.
He's fat.
Yeah, he is. Little chub still.
He's a fat boy. God damn.
Nikes on my feet keep my cipher complete.
Fish on. Good one. Oh, he dragging me. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Come on, come on. He fighting. Look at this boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I dig it. Bro, the hook came right out. Right out. Did it? I swear, I didn't even unhook it. Another good one. Oh, he's biting. Woo! Get a weight on this baby. .3. Cody hooked up into another one. He said we're gonna want to see this one. Oh yeah.
Nice little chub.
Woo!
Right there.
That boy fat. I like that lateral line right there. That's just nice. Another nice one. Sir.
It's a goodie. All right, baby girl.
Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh, shit! God damn! That boy! That boy! Jesus Christ! Holy shit! God damn, what the hell was that? Alright, homie. Yep.
That's a good fish, bro.
Woo. Yep. Just like that. Oh yeah. He's a nice one.